Assembly instruction for anchored tunnel gaskets. Preparation. All sealing profiles are delivered as corner vulcanized gaskets, tailor-made for the individual segments. The anchored gasket frames are always designed with an excessive length of 0.5%. Step 1. Cleaning. The molds, especially the admission grooves, as well as the gasket frames, must be dry and free from dust. Step 2. Apply the oil. The formwork oil has to be sprayed on while the molds are in open modus. You should wait a few minutes before closing the side parts so that excessive formwork oil can sufficiently drain off. Make sure that the formwork oil is well and evenly distributed. Step 3. Gasket assembly procedure. The required gasket frame type must be spread and positioned on the bottom of the segment mold. Take care of the marking and place the gasket accordingly. Start inserting the gaskets into the groove, beginning with the 4 corners first. Then continue with the longer sides, beginning from the middle. Take care that you equally distribute the gasket material along the groove and check that all sections are properly clipped in. Then continue with the remaining shorter sides, also starting from the middle and working out towards the corners. Again, take care that you equally distribute the material along the groove and check again that all sections are sufficiently clipped in. For extremely large gaskets with very long circumferential joint sides, you should insert the gasket lengths by breaking it down into smaller sections and work steps. The same procedure should be used for the longitudinal sides. After complete installation into the segment mold, a final visual check of the exact positioning and proper fit should be made. Always pay attention that firstly, the profile corners are precisely positioned. Secondly, the anchored feet always point upwards. And thirdly, that the sealing lips are positioned tightly alongside the steel counter surface. If the gasket frame is precisely assembled, prepare the segment mold for concreting and deforming. Step 4. Final check. After concreting and deforming of the tunnel segment, the flawless fit of the gasket has to be checked. In case that concrete slam has penetrated to the gasket's sides and surface, it should be removed.